This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Rockefeller. Love white sandy beaches in a natural setting? Here's your chance to build your dream home on this large private wooded lot. This beachfront community close to Cape Charles is only minutes from the beach, plus the pool and tennis courts around the corner. Area boat ramps nearby and just 25 minutes to Norfolk International Airport. Enjoy fishing, kayaking, or canoeing in Lake Allure, one of the largest freshwater lakes on the shore very nearby. Also, 15 minutes outside of historic town of Cape Charles. For more information, review the details below.